Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is raining here, so if you do hear the rain or thunder, that is what's going on. I also wanted to say thank you for all of my subscribers. Before I started this video, we were at 97. We are at 96 right now, but we are so close to 100. I am super excited. I can't wait to do my first giveaway. I also still have the Blue Blood palette giveaway for our 500 subscribers. So that's exciting. If you haven't entered that, please go back and find that video, follow the rules, and come try your luck. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box for April of 2019. Now, I have really enjoyed the Allure Beauty Box, and I'm super excited that they collabed with Carly Bible. And of course my dog's in here. She is not liking the storm right now. This is our little magazine for this month. Pretty picture of her on the front. And then inside will tell us everything that we got in our box. There's another little card. For the May theme is Beauty Innovations, 7 Game Changers. I did try to fix my light again, so let me know if it's better or worse or what's going on there. It says you're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at all of our favorite brands coming up in the May Allure Beauty Box lineup. Scratch to reveal. So I'm not going to scratch that off just yet, or if at all, I don't know. And then this is this month's bag. It is a clear bag. I know that January's was red, February's was black, March's was white, and now we have clear. So we're gonna go ahead and get on in here and see what's in here. I am wearing the new Aurora Lights palette that I just ordered from BH Cosmetics, and I'm really liking it. But onto the Allure box. So the first thing I have is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protection and Heat Protectant Cream. That is what that looks like. I am kind of glad that it's not another spray-in Briogeo item. Although I do like this line, I'm glad to be trying something different. So the full price for this is $24. You can buy it at briogeohair.com. If you enter Allure15 at checkout, you can receive 15% off your order. It is valid from April 15th to June 15th of 2019. So if you'd like to go out and try this, there's your code. Okay, and then the next thing in here is the Phenomenal up to 10 days from one application. This is an organic tan infused cloth. And that is what that looks like. So you get 2 cloths in here. Vita Lambrita Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloth. The price for these is $25 for a pack of 8 or $39 for a pack of 16. You can get this at Ulta.com. And if you enter Allure20 at checkout, you can receive 20% off your order, valid April 15th through June 15th of 2019. So, I have recently started getting a lot of self-tanning products, and I'm about ready to try one. I've never self-tanned. I have always went to the tanning bed, but the older I get, the more my skin does not like that. So If I do start self-tanning, you will be the first ones to know. Then the next thing we have in here is a brush. This is a Luxie brush. I do love my Luxie brushes. And this is the Luxie 231 Small Tapered Blending Brush in rose gold. And there's that brush. I do like Luxie brushes. The price of this brush is $12. You can get it at luxiebeauty.com. And if you enter Alluring at checkout, you can receive 20% off your order, valid from April 15th through June 15th of 2019. So, if you haven't tried Luxie brushes, I do suggest that you go get yourself a set of these. I received my first set with BoxyCharm in the Boxy Luxe for December, and I absolutely love these brushes. So that was good. I like getting brushes. Everybody knows that I have a brush problem. The next thing in here is a Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil, and it's in the color Ultraviolet. So there is that color. It is a retractable, so you don't have to sharpen it, which I don't mind if you have to sharpen it. It's for my use. So, and there's what that eyeliner looks like. And it says the price of this is $22. You can get it at laurageller.com. If you enter Allure at checkout, you can receive 20% off your order. And it's valid from March 1st through August 1st of 2019. So definitely go out and try some of these. It went on there beautifully. It does have a little bit of a shimmer effect to it, which I don't mind that. I actually kind of like that. It's something else to give your eyes that nice pop of color. Then the next thing in here is an Anastasia Liquid Lips, and this is in Pure Hollywood. The price of this is $20, and you can get it at Sephora.com. There is that color. I will also open it. Maybe. Okay. It's a very pretty pinky nude color. So we'll swatch it. And that is what that color looks like. It is right there. And then the last, but not definitely least, is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow. This is a single eyeshadow. This is $27 for a single. That is the correct price. Her palettes tend to run a little on the expensive side, which is why I'm glad that we got one in our Allure box, to let people know if they actually want to run out and drop $130 on an eyeshadow palette. So I'm very glad to get this. Like I said, this is $27. You can get it at natashadenona.com. If you enter capital ND Sunset times Allure at checkout, you can receive 30% off the Sunset eyeshadow palette, valid from April 15th through June 15th. So there's your 15% off if you have tried Natasha Denona and like it. And I got mine in the color, actually I think that's just a number. We'll open it and see what color we got. Maybe we'll get it open. Okay. got mine in 126 Allure, AUBADE. So, not real sure. It's a copper color. It is very pretty. And they are very soft. And there is that color. So, I'm very glad to have gotten one of these so that I can actually try it out before I spend my husband's hard-earned money on a $125 palette. But I'm not palette poor, so. Okay, so we got the Phenomenal cloth tanning cloths, a Luxie brush, an Anastasia liquid lip, the Laura Geller eyeliner, the Briogeo Farewell Frizz, and then the Natasha Denona eyeshadow. So, 6 items for this month. I think this was an awesome bag. I've been waiting for it all month. Just to try the new things in there that I have not. I do feel a lot better. If you have watched some of my videos, they were a little short. I didn't have very much energy, but I'm feeling loads better now, and I appreciate everybody that sent me good-spirited comments on being sick. But that is the end of my Allure video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Possibly subscribe to my channel. Come back and see everything I'm putting out. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.